Chili con carne in 60 seconds. In a large cup of coffee, add 2 ancho chilies, 1 chipotle chili, let them soak for a while. Brown 4.5 pounds of brisket in a skillet. In a pot, add neutral cooking oil, 2 diced onions, 2 crushed cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, salt, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, and freshly ground pepper. Fry until they're soft. Then add 3 diced bell peppers, the reserved coffee, the soaked chilies finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of molasses, 2 whole sticks of cinnamon, 1 ounce of dark chocolate, the browned meat, 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Let it simmer for 2 hours. Then make guacamole. Mash 2 avocados. Then add a crushed clove of garlic, half a diced red onion, 2 diced cherry tomatoes, half a finely chopped chili, the juice of a lime, and salt to taste. Mix it up and put it in the fridge until you need it. When the chili is about ready, add 1 can of kidney beans and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Then season with salt and pepper to taste. Eat with nacho chips and guacamole. That's how you make chili con carne in 60 seconds.